In this video, I am going to show you how to watch live football featuring Joey Porter Jr. on YouTube TV. Whether you're a fan of his gameplay or just want to catch the action, I'll guide you through the steps to stream the game seamlessly. Let's get started. To watch live football featuring Joey Porter Jr. on YouTube TV, start by ensuring you have an active YouTube TV subscription. If you don't already have one, head over to tv.youtube.com and sign up for a free trial or subscribe. Once you're logged in, check the schedule to find out which games Joey Porter Jr. is playing in and on which channel, like ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC. Use the YouTube TV app on your preferred device, smart TV, phone, tablet, or streaming device, or visit the website to access the channel broadcasting the game. You can also set up reminders or record the game using the cloud DVR feature so you never miss a moment of his performance. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football featuring Joey Porter Jr. on YouTube TV, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.